Hi everyone, this is Sheeta Sipan Matre, and today I'm going to unbox this awesome Smith and Wade tarot deck. Pamela Coleman Smith is the one who had designed the tarot deck, and she had made such a beautiful design. So in this particular deck, the borders are not there. Plus, it also features some of the non-tarot designs which Pamela Coleman Smith has done. So ordered this from Amazon, and let me open this for you. Okay. I am a great fan of Rider-Waite deck. I use it in my professional readings, and I was fascinated with this deck because it does not have borders, so the pictures are more clearer. So it becomes really interesting and it gives more insight. So this is how the back looks like. All right, and it comes with a booklet. I'll keep the booklet aside. It also has got, as I said, some non-tarot pictures which Pamela Coleman Smith had done. So these are some of the beautiful pictures which she has done, as you can see, and this is the description of those pictures. I'll keep it aside. Alright, so let's do a mini pick a card reading from this deck. Let me shuffle this deck for you. Option 1, option 2, option 3. So these are your 3 options, guys. What I'll do is I will just pop some crystals on it so that it becomes easier for you to decide. So I am also going to put a Christmas tree on this, and one more charm we need. So let me put this particular crystal. Okay, so choose one card, whatever option you're drawn to. In case if you're confused, you know what you need to do, the chit method. So make 3 chits, numbering them 1, 2 and 3, and pick up one chit, whatever number comes, that's your option. All right, so let's see option number 1. All right, so you got Knight of Swords, which means that you are kind of looking at your past. All right, and you're looking at your past, but at the same time you want to move forward, and you want to move forward really, really very fast. So please understand that yes, your past is gone and you will move ahead, but there's something called as transition. So you need to be more patient and allow yourself to transition than be in haste. I also feel that there is going to be some sort of recognition which is going to come your way, and this recognition is going to motivate you to be more better. But don't let this motivation, this recognition that you are going to get overpower you to such an extent that you stop living life. Okay, have a work-life balance. That's really, really very important. I'm also getting that some of you are being very harsh with yourself and others as well. Especially I feel your mother is what I'm hearing, or maybe a woman. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. So you need to stop being harsh with them and yourself and be more patient and calm. Also, it looks like there will be a young person who is going to help you. So however, ensure that this person is not too impulsive and is not very aggressive. All right, so you need to kind of ensure that you do take the help of this person, but also you need to handle this person really well. I feel that some of you who are having teenage children or children who are a little bit hyperactive, giving you some sort of trouble. So you need to understand that this is just a phase, and you need to communicate with them better, understand them better. And you also can take the help of Archangel Metatron, who helps one to understand the children in a better manner. Okay, and Archangel Gabriel. All right, so this is message for group 1. Now let's see what message is for group 2. All right, so Ace of Swords. So definitely there are going to be new beginnings. These new beginnings are going to be with regards to to work. Especially you're going to be very, very practical. All right, you will be like, let me I don't have time for all this drama, this toxicity. I need to focus on work. I need to focus on what needs to be done. So you're going to cut off all which is not required. I also feel that some of you are excellent chefs. You cook really well. So this is what I'm hearing. So the card and tarot is, and the angels are asking you that you need to pay more attention to your skill set. Start a YouTube channel, or you need to start showing your skills in cooking to others. This is what I am, sorry for that, this is what I'm hearing. Also, some of you are very good in terms of writing. You have excellent command on on converting thoughts into words. So you need to take it seriously, because there is a great book waiting to be released, waiting to influence people in a very positive manner. Also, this particular card is saying that there will be signing of certain documentation. Paperwork is going to be of utmost importance. There will be a lot of legalities, formalities which will be taking your time. All right, so this is what this card is for group 2. Now let's see group 3. 9 of Wands. So yes, you have been really insecure. Though you have overcome a problem, you still feel that what if that problem repeats itself? What if it happens again? You are running insecure. You are feeling what if, you are kind of thinking all possible worst case scenarios. You're also worried that what if the future is going to be bleak for everybody around. So this card is asking you to overcome your fears. This card is asking that beyond all these anxieties that you have created, there is a beautiful environment, scenery, which you need to focus on. There is beauty beyond all this insecurity. So you need to remove these insecurities and look at the beauty which is beyond this. Also, some of you have been undergoing headaches, stomach issues, and also calf issues. I'm especially hearing calf of your legs. So you need to stop. I feel that you are overstressing yourself, and this physical stress I'm talking about, and this is kind of leading to all these issues with regards to health. So ensure that you rest. You need a lot of rest, my friend. Sleep on time, sleep for more hours, and you need to take rest. And do not be insecure, do not be anxious. Whatever you're worried about, no worry is greater than God's miracles. All right, so hand over your problems to the divine so that they can take care of you and take care of the problem as well. All right guys, so this is the message for group 3. So this was the unboxing of the deck, which I was really looking forward to, and I use Rider-Waite deck in my professional readings. So I would suggest that in case if you do not have a Rider-Waite, get the Smith & Waite tarot deck. It is the best thing about this deck is it's borderless, and the good thing about this deck is since it's borderless, it gives you more picture. All right, and that really helps. So this is what the 3 options were. All right, and yeah, let me know how do you feel about this day. Take care. Bye bye.